Hello students, today we will try to solve a numerical based on myopia which we have discussed in the previous session, and it is a topic of class 10 physics, human eye and colorful world. So the question is, the far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the defect? Here we need to see the information given first. Here it is already given that the far point of myopic person is 80 centimeter. Okay, in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the defect? Here it is already given that the defect is myopia. So in solution, we will write that we will use concave lens to correct this defect. Okay, but for a myopic person, it is always need to remember that the far point which we have discussed in the previous session is always comes to nearer to the eye. Like he is trying to see here, but he is not able to see that particular object. Then eye has a defect, and definitely it will shift the far point from this position up to certain position. Suppose it is that point up to which our eye can see the object clearly. So it will be known as the far point now. Okay, but for a concave lens, this point will act like a image. Okay, we need to make an image up to this point by using the concave lens, after which our eye lens can easily detect the image of this object at this point, and this image will be used by our eye lens to make the image of this far point on our retina. It can easily detect in that particular case. So here it is given that u will be at infinity because object is at infinite position, but the image of that object need to be made at this point. Okay, so it will be minus 80 centimeter. Now we are using the concave lens, so we need to find out the focal length of this concave lens. So we will use the lens formula here. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. We know the value of v, that is 1 upon minus 1 upon 80 minus 1 upon infinite equal to 1 upon f. We know the value of 1 upon infinite, that 1 upon infinite is equal to 0. So here we can write it 1 upon 80 equal to 1 upon f, and the focal length will be equal to minus 80 centimeter. So focal length of this concave lens will be 80 centimeter. Now the question is, calculate the power of the lens required to correct the defect. We know that the power formula of the lens is power equal to 1 upon focal length, but we use this formula in the case when the focal length is given in meter. So we can convert this 80 centimeter into meter also, and we can put it directly there, but in that case we need to convert 1 meter into centimeter. But here we are converting, that is f is given at minus 80 centimeter. We will convert it in meter, so it will be minus 0.8 meter. Okay, So we can calculate the power of the lens. Power equal to 1 upon focal length. 1 upon 0.8. It can be written as 10 upon 8. Okay. So power equal to 1.25. It will be negative. Okay. We will take their negative sign also. So power of the lens will be minus 1.25 diopter. It is the unit of power. Okay, so the person was suffering from myopia. He need to use a lens of focal length 80 centimeter, and the type of the lens is concave lens. Okay, and the power of the lens to be used is minus 1.25 diopter. So students, here is a new question related to myopia. So the question is, a 14-year-old student is not able to see clearly the questions written on the blackboard, placed at a distance of 5 meters from him. So to find out a part, mean the defect of vision he is suffering from, with the help of label diagram to show how this defect can be corrected. Name the type of lens used to correct this defect. Okay, we need to show all the part of this question. So we need to first show the defect of the vision. So we can clearly see that he is not able to read the blackboard. Means he is sitting at the back. He is a backbencher and he is sitting the back side. So definitely he is not able to read this blackboard. So he is suffering from which defect? So the defect is, in this case, is a part is myopia, and it is also written as short sightedness. We have already read the definition of the myopia, that a person is not able to see the far away object, but he is able to see the nearby object. Okay, so in this case he is not able to see the written question on the board, but he can see his book clearly. Definitely he is suffering from myopia. So the next part is in this is, with the help of label diagram to show how this effect can be corrected. So first of all we need to show the defected eye. Definitely we will show here. So it is defected eye. These are parallel rays are coming from the board side. Okay. Then if it is a myopic eye, definitely both the rays will not meet at retina. They will meet before the retina. Okay. So it is what? It is the myopic eye. If these rays are coming parallel rays, it is what? It is retina. Okay, and it is myopia. Okay, now we need to correct this defect. Definitely we will use which kind of lens? Concave lens. Okay, so we will use here concave lens. These are the rays which are coming from the object which is placed at 5 meters away. Okay, suppose it is given here. Okay, so we will use here concave lens. So the property of concave lens is to make the image on the left side. Okay, these rays are coming from that object which is placed at the far away distance. Okay, then after refraction from this lens, the rays will meet at this point. Okay, it will be the far point of that object. Okay, it will be the far point, or we already know that it will act like a virtual image for a lens. Okay, so we are using here which lens? We are using here concave lens to correct the myopia. Okay, then after refraction, these rays will diverge a little from this point. They will go like this. and after diverging a little they will make that retina, because that person is able to see the nearby object. Now the object is not at object is at infinity, but the image of that object is at this point. Okay, so we can correct the myopia by making the image of the far away object at the far point of our eye, up to which we can see the object clearly. So in this case, the image of this object is here. Okay, it is the virtual image. Then definitely this lens, our eye lens, will see this image, and it is the far point up to which we can see, and our lens will make the image of this virtual image or this far point on our retina, and our eye will able to see that object. Now the C part is name the type of lens used to correct this defect. Definitely it is myopia, so we will use here concave lens. Hello students, in this question we will solve, in this particular session we will solve another numerical based on myopia. So the question is, a myopic person can see things clearly only when they lie between 10 cm and 100 cm from the eye. Which lens will enable him to see moon clearly? Okay, actually he wants to see moon but he is not able due to this defect. But here two values are given. Okay, so actually it is given here range of vision up to which he can see clearly. Range of vision, that is 10 centimeter to 100 centimeter. But in myopic eye, that 100 centimeter, which is the last point up to which that person can see object clearly, will act as the far point. And if it is far point, then definitely we will take it as a virtual image point. And if it is virtual image point, we can write it as b equal to minus 100 centimeter. Okay, but we know that the moon is at a larger distance. Okay, and we don't know that distance. Then definitely we will write u as a infinity. But the question is given that which lens will enable him to see moon clearly. So we need to use a lens which makes him able to see that object, and that lens will be concave lens. But we need to find out the focal length of that lens also. So here we will apply the lens formula, that is 1 upon b minus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. 1 upon minus 100 centimeter minus 1 upon infinity equal to 1 upon f. Minus 1 upon 100 minus it will be 0 equal to 1 upon f. Minus 1 upon 100 equal to 1 upon f, and f will be minus 100 centimeter. Okay, so we need to use the concave lens of 100 centimeter focal length. Now the next is we need to find out the power also, that up to of which power we need to use. So we know that the power equal to 1 upon f. But this case we use generally in the meter situation when the focal length is given in meter. So for making, but here the focal length is given in centimeter, we can convert it in meter also. Okay, but so let's convert it. It will be minus 1 meter. Okay, so power equal to 1 upon minus 1 equal to minus 1 diopter. So that person need to use a concave lens of 100 centimeter focal length of power minus 1 diopter. After using this lens, they will be able to see the moon clearly. Otherwise, they will not be able to see clearly due to the defect of myopia in his eye.